Can't stop the fun when business isn't and can't stop the joy. When you worry no more, don't settle for and comfy business. Let's go to trustworthy and blessed. Oh, ZY, ZY, business, ZY, ZY, building business, building future. Oh, ZY, ZY, business, ZY, ZY, not just for business, but a stable one. ZY, ZY shop, ZY, ZY shop. Whoa, oh, 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 all you need is ZY, ZY shop, ZY, ZY shop. Be your major distributor.
And yes, this 2025, mine ka ng mine online. Add to cart ng add to cart. Why not start your own skincare brand with us? This is Dr. Ram Dagdag from CY Bioscience Corp, your partner in private label skincare. So, ito ay para doon sa mga gustong maging CEO ng sarili nilang skincare brand. We have some opportunities and offers for you. At a lower MOQ, you can start your own brand with us. Revolutionizing beauty, one brand at a time. So, let's get to know CY Bioscience Corp. So, CY Bioscience Corp I founded CY Bioscience Corp way back in 2014. Our specialization, private labeling and original brand formulation. Of course, our mission is to empower entrepreneurs to create unique skincare brands. Our vision is to be the leading innovator in sustainable and effective skincare solutions worldwide. In our core values, innovation, quality, sustainability, and partnership. So again, we are looking for entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, at mga gustong maging CEO ng sarili nilang skincare brand this 2025. CY Bioscience Corp is here for you. Your K-Beauty ODM Cosmetic Manufacturing Service Provider. Yes, mga mare, we are in partnership with a Korean-based company that offers ODM cosmetics. So overall, our products or our main ingredients are from Thailand and with Japan innovations and formulations. And now in partnership with Korea-based Korea-based private cosmetic company as well. So, why choose private labeling with CY Bioscience Corp? Customization. So, we have tailored products to reflect your brand identity, cost effectiveness, avoid high development costs, and scale faster. Of course, launch your brand with minimal lead time, stand out in the market with unique formulation, leverage our expertise in formulation and packaging. Yes, mga mare, ako rin po ang kasama ninyo sa pagsisimula ng brand nyo. If you want to have your own formulation, meron din tayong formulation meeting for that one. Separate from CY Bioscience Corp sa ibang manufacturing here in the Philippines. So we are the first to offer private labeling, quality assurance, sustainability, scalability, and an end-to-end service. Quality assurance, mga mare, we are using premium ethically sourced ingredients from Thailand. And of course, some formulation that I've learned from Japan and Korea. We ensure formulations that meet international standards. My goal, kapag nagagawa ako ng brand, ng skincare product, is not dito lang sa Pilipinas ibenta. Ang goal ko is makagawa ng mga international brand that is owned by a Filipino. That is, of course, my vision. To have more business owners, entrepreneurs, to cater worldwide service, international market. Sustainability. We focus on eco-friendly practices, including biodegradable packaging and carbon-neutral shipping. Scalability. Flexible manufacturing options from small batches to mass production. Of course, guys, we have an end-to-end service from formulation and branding to marketing and distribution, providing you guys a one-step solution. Yes, we help you not just to manufacture your product, but to create your brand online, brand presence online by giving you the marketing collaterals, and of course, giving you a free access to our ZY Entrep Academy kung saan pag-aaralan natin kung paano mo nga ba mapapalago ang business mo through social media marketing, providing you one-stop solution. CY Biosciences offerings. Of course, guys, we have our core line ready to customize formulation. Meron din tayong custom formulation kung gusto mong magpa-customize ng formulation, packaging options, and certifications. Yes, we also assist in FDA CPN and FDA LTO if you want to have one. And of course, what are the products that we offer? Sobrang dami nito. Pero ito yung mga trending namin na offerings for you. We have soap, perfume, lip tint, sunscreen, serum, lotion, rejuvenating set, niacinamide set, melasma set, glass skin set, foam facial wash, facial creams, niacinamide body wash, sunscreen serum, meron din kaming lotion serum, melasma cream, shampoo, essential oil, regenerating skincare sets, also open for formulation. So kung meron kang naisip na products na gusto mong gawin, you can also go on to our consultation phase for us to know if kaya nating gawin. Lahat naman ng product kaya nating gawin actually, but it depends on what is your vision, what is your budget, what is your mission in creating that brand. So again, our services offers are custom formulation development, label design and branding, packaging solution, quality assurance, and testing. So how you can start your private label skincare brand? Of course, meron tayong 4 phases. We have the consultation phase, branding phase, manufacturing phase, and the distribution phase. As for the consultation phase, mga mare, this is where client selects a base product or request for custom formulation. So for the phase 1, the custom formulation, every successful brand starts with a solid foundation. The consultation phase is where we align your vision with actionable strategies. Understanding your vision is number 1. What are the brand core values? Who is your target audience? What unique problem will your product solve? Of course, sa consultation phase, nandyan din yung market research. So we analyze market trends, competitors, and consumer preferences to identify opportunities. Our team provides insights into the best-selling formulation and niche to explore. Goal setting is also part ng consultation phase. Goal setting, together we define your brand's goal, including product range, price point, and launch timeline. So by the end of this phase, you will have a clear roadmap for your brand development and launch. So how we do our consultation phase, we have our virtual office via Zoom that is open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. from Monday to Saturday. Now, let's go on with the second phase, which is what we call the branding phase. Your brand's identity, guys, is what set it apart. At CY Bioscience Corp, we offer comprehensive branding support to ensure your product can resonate with your audience. It is very important that your product resonate with your audience. Brand identity creation is number 1. Assistance with naming your brand and crafting a compelling tagline, designing your logo that reflects your brand personality. Every brand has its own personality, as just like you. Packaging design, choose from a variety of sustainable and stylish packaging options, and of course, marketing materials. So meron tayong mga ready-to-use templates for your brochure, social media posts, and product catalog. This phase ensures your brand looks and leave a long-lasting impression para sa mga customer mo. Dito nangyayari yung legacy, yung tatak mo bilang isang brand owner. Always remember that your brand is an extension of yourself. Whether you are a sophisticated type of a person, ikaw yan. So, kailangan sa branding phase, you have all in. no? Ito naman ay ginagawa with our graphic team, wherein they will have a Zoom meeting with you for the branding phase. Next is the manufacturing phase. Of course, with your brand's identity defined, it's time to bring your products to life. See, at CY Bioscience Corp specializes in creating high-quality skincare formulation, product development, testing and quality assurance, and batch production. So, of course, once natapos na tayo sa formulation, sa consultation, product development is wherein we choose from our core line of ready-to-customize formulation or work with us to create custom products tailored to your vision. All formulations, guys, are eco-friendly, cruelty-free, and dermatologically tested, of course. Testing and quality assurance, our rigorous testing process ensures your products meet the highest industry standard. For the batch production, scalable production options to match your budget and growth plans. Of course, with CY Bioscience Corp, you'll have a peace of mind knowing that your product are made with care and precision. So, the fourth phase is actually the distribution phase. Once natapos na yung product, of course, we will help you in distribution planning, marketing campaign, and scaling expansion. Dito na papasok yung nag-start ka muna sa mga 5K trial, bronze packages natin, and then nag-grow yung business mo. We will help you in your distribution planning. We also offer flexible delivery options, direct deliver to your clients, or drop shipping to your clients is also available. Syempre, meron tayo ditong marketing support for our client. We have the educational workshop, marketing kits, and digital marketing packages. For the educational workshop, we host master classes on selling skincare products and growing your brands. We also have pre-designed product photography and video assets for your client use for the marketing kits. And of course, digital marketing packages. We also offer social media management and ad campaign setup services. So let's now go on to the product specifications. As for the product specifications, we have perfume, lifting face serum, sunscreen, body lotions, and so much more. As for the organic soap, mga mare, we have organic soap that is made up of natural ingredient that is gentle on sensitive skin, eco-friendly, and often contains beneficial nutrients that nourishes your skin. So we have some variants that is available. We have the niacinamide, ultimate whitening, beta-arbutin, and bleaching collagen. So as for the niacinamide facial cleanser, ayan, meron din tayong facial cleanser. Niacinamide is a facial cleanser, helps keep the skin hydrated, controls excess oil, evens out the skin tone by reducing dark spots, soothes irritation for sensitive skin, and minimize the appearance of your fine lines and aging. Niacinamide sunscreen, meron din tayo niyan. And of course, meron din tayong niacinamide body wash. Guys, mind you that niacinamide is one of the trending ingredients in the industry. Right? So, it is very important na, syempre, you also go on with the trend. Ano nga ba yung trending na ingredients na pwede nating magamit, diba? So, it is very important na alam natin yung trending ingredients natin. So, niacinamide is actually one of those. So, kung gusto mong mag-launch na mabilis ang kapit ng mga client natin, ayan, niacinamide is a good one. So, niacinamide is also known as vitamin B3. The main benefits is reducing redness, minimize pores, even the skin tone, and strengthen the skin barriers. So, why it's trending? Known for being versatile and gentle, suitable for all skin type din yan. And of course, here in CY Bioscience Corp, we are also using hyaluronic acid. So it also deeply hydrates plump skin and reduces the appearance of your fine lines. So why it's trending naman yung hyaluronic acid? Its ability actually is to retain the water up to 1,000 times its weight, makes it hydration powerhouse. So yan yung maganda sa ating mga products, no? And of course, we have serum variants available, that is niacinamide serum and vitamin C serum. So, if you wanted to start up a facial serum, ito, maganda po yung niacinamide serum natin kasi naka-brighten yan ng skin tone, regulates oil production, reduces pore appearance, strengthens skin barriers, soothes redness and inflammation, improves skin elasticity, and fight acne. On the other hand, if you want to have vitamin C serum naman, maganda rin po yan. It reduces redness and inflammation, improves skin texture, hydrates skin, reduces hyperpigmentation, protect against sun damages, boosts collagen production, and brightens your skin tone. Of course, meron din tayong isang trending ingredients na ginagamit, which is the peptides. So, it boosts collagen production, improves skin elasticity, and reduce skin wrinkles. So, peptides is also popular in anti-aging formulation due to its effectiveness. All right, so we also have our newest placenta serum at 15 ml. It promotes skin cell generation, regeneration, improves skin elasticity and hydration, and of course, reduces wrinkles and fine lines. So we also have the niacinamide serum. And as for the organic lip tint naman, mga mare, we have this. Lips benefits of organic lip tint usage. That is natural and safe ingredients, hydrates and moisturizes, long-lasting color, lightweight formula, enhances your natural lip color, eco-friendly, nourishes and refers, and of course, no synthetic fragrances or dyes. So, ito yung maganda sa organic lip tint, hindi siya nakakapangit or nakakaitim ng ating mga lips. So, maganda ang organic lip tint actually kasi wala yung synthetic fragrances tsaka mga dyes, no? So, free logo layout na yan, free label sticker, free shipping nationwide. Syempre, may free photo and video marketing na din. Yung perfume naman natin, mga mare, is Dubai-based oil perfume. Fragrances products that use oil as a base instead of alcohol. So sa market natin yung mga murang perfume is actually alcohol based. Yung sa amin, what makes it different is that it is using oil as a base instead of alcohol. And here are some key points about them. Of course, long lasting. Oil perfume tend to last longer on the skin compared to alcohol-based fragrances. Rich scents. They often have deep, complex fragrances that can be more intense. Of course, skin-friendly and kasi all formulations are less likely to irritate your sensitive skin. What are the varieties of scents? Actually, we are using inspired perfume. Kaya kilalang kilala at alam na alam mo na yung mga brands na to, no? Application, of course, it can be dabbed on your pulse point para mabango tayo. These perfumes offer a luxurious and unique fragrance experience, often reflecting the rich culture of Dubai. So, here are the perfume scent available. Open din tayo for own formulation, a minimum of 1,000 pieces or own scent formulation. Long-lasting, luxury, alcohol-free formula, Dubai-based oil perfume, exclusive Dubai ingredients, bespoke fragrance blends, eco-friendly and sustainable, of course. So here are the soap variants na available naman natin. Mga mare, meron tayo dyan kojic acid soap, niacinamide soap, glass skin soap, ultimate whitening, and bleaching collagen. Meron din tayong niacinamide skincare set that includes niacinamide brightening soap, broad spectrum sunscreen SPF 50 with niacinamide peptide, night cream, repair, and of course, meron din tayong niacinamide clarifying toner. Meron din tayong glass skin set, glass skin brightening soap, glass skin dewy, sunscreen SPF 50 PA++, glass skin night repair cream, glass skin hydrating toner, at syempre meron tayong melasma set, gentle brightening soap, hydrating moisturizer with sun protection, night repair cream, and exfoliating toner. Meron din tayong rejuvenating skincare set, rejuvenating brightening soap, rejuvenating sun shield SPF 50, rejuvenating night repair cream, rejuvenating radiance toner, at syempre ang aming newest product alert. Meron tayong liquid foundation with SPF 50, PA++ with niacinamide. O, di ba mga Maren, nag-liquid foundation ka na, nag-sunscreen ka pa, may SPF 50 pa yan, at syempre niacinamide. At syempre meron tayong anti-melasma cream with collagen na open din for rebranding. Meron din tayong mga face creams na available. Of course, ang ating pangmalakasang HD Matte Lip Dip, nakita nyo naman talaga ang ganda-ganda ng packaging niyan. At syempre, meron tayong liquid foundation na available for rebranding. Ganito naman po yung packaging niya. Face cream, facial wash, face cleanser, facial moisturizer is all available for private label and rebranding. When it comes with sunscreen naman mga Mare, we have two types, the gel-based and the tinted. So this is the skincare and cosmetic products that is open for private labeling at MOQ required. So meron tayo dyang soap na 70 grams and 100 grams. Meron tayong perfumes. Meron tayong 250 ml lotion, 100 ml lotion, lip tint, sunscreen, serum, skincare set, liquid foundation, and matte lip dip. Imagine niyo mga Mare, ang price range ng MOQ natin, nagsisimula lang po yan sa 2,500. 2,500 mo, meron ka ng own brand ng sabon. 3,700 mo, meron ka ng own brand ng perfume. 8,500 mo, meron ka ng own brand ng 250 ml lotion. 5,000 pesos mo, meron ka ng own brand ng 100 ml lotion. Sa lip tint naman, 2,800 pesos lang napuhunan, meron ka ng sarili mong brand ng lip tint. 6,375 pesos, meron ka ng own brand ng sunscreen. 5,250, may own brand ka na ng serum. 8,500, may own brand ka na ng skincare mo. Skincare set, such as melasma set, niacinamide set, rejuvenating set, at glass skin set. Liquid foundation, mga Mare, 5,250 lang. Ang kailangan mo, meron ka ng own brand ng liquid foundation. Sa matte lip dip naman, 5,000 pesos lang. Ang kailangan mo, meron ka ng own brand ng HD Matte Lip Dip. Imaginein mo, less than 10,000 pesos, pwede ka nang magsimula ng own brand mo. Hindi mo kailangan gumastos ng sobrang laki agad. Diba? Lalo na kung testing waters ka parang. Yun yung power ng private labeling. Product namin, brand mo. So, of course, kung meron ka naman talagang budget in order for you to start your own brand, meron kaming 500k Elite Skincare private label package. Ito naman, may free LED billboard na. May billboard na ha. May free brand magazine layout with 10 copies ka pa. Ang maganda nito, free shipping nationwide yan, free logo layout, free label sticker, free product photo and video shoot, plus may DTI business name registration ka na, may basic marketing material ka pa. Ang pinakamagandang part niyan, may social media marketing courses, free masterclass in entrepreneurship, free business templates. Yun yung advantage and benefits. Plus, may extra benefits ka pa. Sa 500,000 na yan, gagawan ka na namin ng FB business page setup mo, FB resellers group setup, free TikTok account, TikTok shop, Shopee Lazada. So, e-commerce platform mo, naka-set up na, all in. Free content creation for 1 month. Kami yung gagawa ng content mo for 1 month para makahanap tayo ng mga resellers. Yes, pag in-avail mo yung 500k Elite package namin, hahanapan na rin natin ng reseller yung brand mo. Free social media management for 3 months. Team ko ang magmamanage ng social media account mo in order for us to gain followers and boost your brand presence. FYI ha, extra benefits and advantage lang yon. Pero yung package na yan, may kasama na po yung 2,000 pieces organic soap, 500 pieces sunscreen, 500 pieces 100 ml lotion, 1,000 pieces lip tint, 500 pieces serum, at 100 pieces perfume. Yes, 500,000 pesos lang na puhunan na kailangan mo para makapagsimula ka ng talagang pangmalakasang brand this 2025. At hindi naman po tayong 150k gold skincare private label package na merong 1,000 pieces soap, 500 pieces sunscreen, 200 pieces lotion, 500 pieces lip tints, 200 pieces serum, and 100 pieces perfume. Ano yung advantage and benefits niyan? Free shipping nationwide, free logo layout, free label sticker, free product photo and video shoot, free DTI business name registration, free basic marketing materials, free social media marketing courses, free master classes in entrepreneurship, and free business templates. And of course, meron na din po yung extra benefits such as free FB business page setup, free FB resellers group setup, free TikTok account setup, free TikTok shop setup, free Shopee account setup, free Lazada account setup, free content creation for 1 month, and free social media management for a month. Siyempre, meron din kaming 25K bronze skincare private labeling package na merong 100 pieces soap, 50 pieces sunscreen, 50 pieces lotion, 50 pieces lip tint, 50 pieces serum, and 30 pieces perfume. Free shipping nationwide yan, free logo layout, free label sticker, free photo and video shoot, and of course, free DTI business name registration, free basic marketing materials, free social media marketing courses, free master class in entrepreneurship, and of course, free business templates. Skincare set available for 10,000 pesos. Meron tayong package A na 10,000, package B na 50,000, and package C na 100,000 pesos. Siyempre, kung ikaw naman ay nagtetest muna, meron din tayong 5K trial skincare private label package. Meron tayong 10 pieces soap, 10 pieces sunscreen, 10 pieces lotion, 10 pieces lip tint, 10 pieces serum, and 5 pieces perfume. Free shipping nationwide din po yan. Free logo layout, free label sticker, free product, photo and video shoot, free basic marketing material, free social media marketing courses, free master class in entrepreneurship, and free business templates. Siyempre, meron tayo dito 2025 3-in-1 skincare package, no? Free logo layout na yan, free shipping nationwide, free label sticker, free photo and video shoot. Meron tayong 5K, 10K, 25K, at 50K packages na yan. Meron na po yung soap, perfume, lip tint. At pwede rin kayong mamili ng variant, scent, at colors na gusto mong mapaloob dito sa ating skincare package nito. Siyempre, meron din tayo ditong pangmalakasang perfume package na pwede kang mamili ng bote na gusto mong mapaloob, no? Bote at scent, pwede kayong mamili a minimum of 100 pieces. Overall manufacturing process, once you're done with the consultation phase, once order is submitted and paid, so yes, payment first policy po kami pagkadating sa rebranding kasi mga rebranding to, no? So, own brand mo ang ilalagay natin dito kaya hindi siya pwedeng cash on delivery. So, once order is submitted and paid, order number will be released. Order will be then submitted to 2 teams. The graphic team na gagawin yung branding phase mo. Second is sa ating manufacturing. So, within the 20 business days period, 20 business days, mga mara, hindi kasama ang Saturday, Sunday, at holidays. No? Once logo is approved, it will be submitted to the printing department. Kaya once nag-approve ka, wala ng urong-sulong yan, ha? Once order will be submitted to the production for actual manufacturing process, that takes 20 business days. Kasi sabi ko nga sa inyo, meron yang mga proseso na ginagawa na na-discuss ko kanina, no? Once logo and products are ready, it will be submitted to the labeling department. And of course, your photo and video will be sent after dispatch. Kapag JNT ang shipment natin, 5 to 7 business days. Kapag DHL, 2 to 3 weeks ang commitment. And please take note of the process, okay? Of course, customized box is now available. So, ito yung mga soap packaging natin na available din po. Meron tayong pillow pack na plastic and of course, meron tayong eco-friendly na direct print. So, we also have our free entrep trainings in 1 click for our dear CEOs. So, ito libre lang po to. Nasa isang site lang siya natin at cyshop.net. So, how to build your skincare brand, how to build your skincare brand presence, how to create your distributorship model, social media marketing, TikTok marketing, creating your own brand, a social media marketing strategy, and CYShop Entrep Academy, a basic social media marketing course. For customer service, guys, we are open from Mondays to Saturdays, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. You just need to hop into our CY virtual office via Zoom. You can access our virtual office through cyshop.net. So how you can place your order, check our page on our website. So punta lang tayo sa cyshop.net mga mare kung kayo ay may katanungan. Sa cyshop.net, ito na po yung makikita nyo. Makikita nyo yung mga brand owners feedback. Ayan. Makikita nyo yung, you can also craft your own brand here. So what is the importance of having a brand name, brand tagline, and brand colors, creating your brand logo, creating your brand mission, and creating your distribution system. So dito mga mare, ginawan ko po ito ng buttons. If you want to generate your business name, if you want to generate your brand tagline, it's just one click away. If you want to create your brand colors, ayan, nandito din. You can choose color palette for your brand. And of course, meron din tayo ditong, you can also try to create your own logo para makita ninyo, no? Ano nga bang kakalabasan ng logo ko? No? Ano nga bang kakalabasan? You can have a brand kit generator and identity design here. So, pwede rin po kayong gumawa ng brand mission and vision ninyo. Yan, you can generate an inspiring mission statement in seconds. And of course, creating your distribution system. Lahat na yan is libre kapag in-access mo ang aming website at cyshop.net. No? So, ayan po. So, you can now start your creating your own brand here. And of course, what are the skincare variants that is available? Nandito rin po yan sa website. Ayan. Nasa website po yan. So, you can check our website at cyshop.net for